Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download OneNote and automate knowledge capture with AI, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type download OneNote and hit enter. Locate the official Microsoft OneNote website in the search results. Click on the link to access the OneNote download page. Choose the version of OneNote that is compatible with your device. If you are using Windows, click on the download button for Windows. For Mac users, select the appropriate option for Mac OS. For mobile users, navigate to the App Store or Google Play Store. Search for Microsoft OneNote in your respective App Store. Once you find the app, click Install or get to download it. After the installation completes, open OneNote. Log in with your Microsoft account or create a new one if necessary. Once you're in OneNote, familiarize yourself with its interface. Now, let's automate knowledge capture using AI. You can integrate a note-taking tool designed for AI, such as Microsoft's AI-powered Microsoft 365 tools. Begin by creating a new note in OneNote. Use the Insert tab to include relevant files or images. To automate data capture, explore AI options like OneNote's built-in features. You may use features like transcribing audio notes directly in OneNote. Alternatively, consider third-party AI tools that sync with OneNote. Research and select an appropriate AI tool that fits your needs. Once selected, follow the installation instructions for that AI tool. Ensure it is correctly set up to connect with OneNote. Visit the tool settings and link your OneNote account. Start experimenting with the AI features. Utilize voice recognition to convert spoken ideas into text. Employ AI to organize and categorize your notes automatically. Regularly check for updates on both OneNote and your AI tool. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.